I want to ask you this
Sure.
as a wrap up. One of the things that you talk a lot about is rizq.
Rizq.
This is a key thing. And you mentioned that, some of the things that we perceive are not true. Is that if I take $10 out of my pocket and I hand it to somebody as a donation, that my money and my wealth goes down. If you asked 100 people on the street right now that did not have this concept of rizq, they would say that yes, $10 left your pocket and went to
Simple
somebody
math.
else.
Simple math.
As Muslims, our concept of rizq is a protection for that when it comes to giving sadaqah and giving zakat.
Subhanallah. Beautiful.
It's a protection to that thinking. So can you talk a little bit about rizq?
So there's the human equation and there's the divine formula. The human formula is 2 minus 1. If I had $2 and I gave 1 in charity, I have 1 left in my pocket. So I lost money. So now he's hesitant to give.
Yeah.
Naturally, that's a human. But with Allah, the divine formula it's actually more. It's 11 plus the B factor, the barakah factor. I say 11 plus B. Why is it that way? The Prophet ﷺ says, لا ينقص مال من صدقة. That there'll never be a decrease in sadaqah. Now, whenever you said a Muslim, it's not a Muslim's formula, it's a believer's formula.
Okay.
The believer's on another level. The Muslim is very outward in his understanding. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I pray, I fast, sha'air. The believer's all about the unseen system of Allah. Those who believe in the unseen, yu'minuna bil ghaib. That's the believer, right? So when you're at the level of believer, you understand that 1 good deed is worth 10 in Allah's say. So if I give 1, it's going to be multiplied minimum by 10. Minimum, because He gives depending on your intention. So with Allah, 2 minus 1, you're left with 1, but Allah returns the 1 as 10. 10 plus 1, that's your 11. Plus the barakah, depending on your intention, could be more and more. The intention behind it, what is it that you want? You want to be at a level where you fulfill God's command in the moment, in the present moment. And I tell people the highest intention you can have is to be Abdullah. Yani, you simply do what you do because, listen to this, you do what you do because Allah commanded you to. If you memorize this, you do everything you do because Allah commanded you to. That's like a mantra you need to memorize. Okay? What does that mean? Why do you eat?
Hungry.
I'm hungry. Bas, khalas. I'm hungry, I eat. Most people, they eat because they're hungry. A believer doesn't eat because he's hungry. A believer remembers to eat because he's hungry. But why does he eat? What's his intention? What does Allah say in the Quran? Kulu, fi'il ish, amr. Kulu, eat. Allah is commanding you. Washrabu, wala tusrifu. So there's a difference between someone who eats because he's hungry and someone eats because Allah commanded him to eat. Why do you earn rizq? فَامْشُوا فِي مَنَاكِبِهَا وَكُلُوا مِن رِزْقِهِ. Allah is saying, go seek your sustenance on earth. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.